Hello, today we'll be cooking crab with coconut milk. These are the ingredients. Okay, I will show you how. Clean the crab like this. Rinse it in water and then chop the garlic, onion like this, and also the eggplant. Yes, then we will start frying. Okay. Start frying with garlic. When it is already brownish, you can add the onion. Okay, and then add some black pepper. With black pepper already, mix it. Then put the crab first without water and cover it for around 5 minutes. You will see it will turn into reddish. Mix it. I added 1/2 cup of water so the crab won't get burned. Just to mix it. See, it's already reddish. Simmer it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can add the coconut milk. Three of this coconut milk. This is the best in town that we have here. 400 ml. I use 3 of that. You can add water if you feel you need to. I already added the last 2 of the coconut milk. I already put some salt, some black pepper, and the garlic powder. I use some garlic powder also, and then this monosodium glutamate. I added some of it. And also it's time to put this shrimp. Maybe I will boil it for around 15 minutes and then add the eggplant. I remember I already added everything in here, but you need to taste it. If you need to add some sugar, you can add some sugar. Okay, let's boil it for 15 minutes. When it is boiling like this, you can lower the heat. It's on number 7, so I'll just put it to number 4. Yeah. Okay, after 15 minutes, I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. so tasty. I will add this eggplant and then mix it. There's a lot. Yeah, I like eggplant because it will make the soup more tastier and sticky, more stickier. Yeah, we will mix it after it will get soft. Maybe 5 to 10 minutes before you mix it. I already mixed it. After 5 minutes, I lower the heat to around to number 4, and then I will boil it for another 30 minutes. So the shrimp and this eggplant will be very soft. Yeah, and then you try to taste it and then add some salt or some sugar if you want. That the taste after it is done should be a little bit salty and a little bit sweeter, salty and sweet. Yeah, and plus the taste of the crab and the shrimp. Yeah, it's very good. Let's wait for it. I put a timer. After 15 minutes, so it's cooked already, but there's still a lot of soup, so I need 15 minutes more. It's more better when it is a little bit sticky sauce. I already tasted it and it's so good. I don't need to add anything. Yeah, but if you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar. My goal in here is to make the skin of this shrimp a little bit more softer. Yeah, and also the crab. Yeah, look at the eggplant. It's all gone. Yeah, because it will be mixed in the soup. Yeah, it's so good. I tasted it. So I need more 15 minutes more. I set it to 30. It's still 12. So maybe add another 10 minutes. And then don't fully cover it, so it will evaporate. Okay, let's see you after 20 minutes again. Hello, after another 20 minutes. It is very good already, but I need to dry a little bit more the soup. So I open the cover and I will boil it for another 20 minutes. Yeah, just to dry a little bit more. But I tasted it. Oh, so nice. Look at the eggplant, almost gone. Yeah, it will make the soup little bit stickier. Yeah, 20 minutes more and done. Look how nice it is. The soup, oh, super, it's stickier. Ready. Yeah, that's the soup. I didn't put water in here. I just added a small half cup of a small cup. Small cup, half cup of water at the start. I didn't put water. These are all came from this. Look, that's how thick it is. It is the eggplant. Yeah. So it's done. The taste is so good. I can't wait to eat. Okay, thank you. Whoa. Yes. This is my lunch today. Crab meat with coconut milk. Yeah, so nice. Thank you and please consider subscribing to Presentor Junior Robles.